Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so here is the review of what you were supposed to complete for homework. Just a warning to you that you definitely want to try this at home, because if you don't try it underneath the pressure of not doing it in class, you know, if you're never put on the spot, oftentimes this looks really easy, but then when you get to practice it, you'll mess up. So notice I filled in the ladder, if you will, with kilo, hecto, deca, da, deci, centi, milli. And as I come down here, whenever you see only one of a unit here, that must be base. For example, here I would never ever have 250 millis. That doesn't make any sense. So it has to be 250 meters. Okay? So from this view, I can't really see my prefixes, which is fine because I'll just write Karen has dandruff but doesn't care much. Boom, start here. I don't see a decimal, so the only place I can write it without changing the value is at the end. So I'm going from milli to grams, so 3 places to the left, which means I'm going to stick it to 1.000. Don't get rid of those zeros. Make sure you rewrite them there. The next question is opposite. I'm at 1 liter, and I have to go to milli. So I'm starting from base coming in this direction. So therefore, I have 1,000. The next one here, we go centi to milli. Okay, centi to milli. So I'm starting from this position here. I don't know what that sound was. Starting from here and going right here. So centi to milli means that it becomes 1,600. And then kilo to meter. Kilo is here. Meter would be, oh, I messed that up. Let me try that again. Wrong button. Karen has dandruff, but doesn't care much. Try that again. Kilo to meter. Kilo, 1, 2, 3 spots. Not to that, because that would be milli. And if this were milli, it would be mm, but it's not. So 3 spots to the right. So 14, drag it 3 spots, would be 14,000. Down here we have grams to kilograms, so we're going opposite. So instead of 3 spots to the right, it would be 3 spots to the left. So now it's 0.109. It's good habit to put the 0 out in front of the decimal. 250 meters to kilometers. So meters puts me in this spot. Kilometer, that's 6 away. So here I go. Oh, I'm wrong. I messed up. I started at milli. My mistake. Meter right here. 3 spots to the left, so 0.250. Okay, moving on. These greater than less than ones are tricky. So what you need to do is figure out which of these 2 sides is larger or smaller if they're equal. So pick one. So for me, if I go from meters to centimeters, I know that if I have 6 meters, if I move my decimal 2 spots to the right, I have 600 centimeters. So 600 centimeters is certainly larger than 56 centimeters. So I would have that 56 centimeters is less than 6 meters. On this other side, I can convert grams to milligrams. That's pretty fast because grams is a base unit. So deci, centi, milli. 3 spots to the right, so 7 grams is 7,000 milligrams, which means that this must be greater than the other. All right, I hope that helped.